Hi guys and girls and kittens, and welcome to the I Need a Magic show. In this video I'm going to show you how I work, and most of the times, like 90% of the times, I don't even use Git. I don't use CI/CD pipelines. I simply save straight to production. I'm not even kidding. That's not even a joke. I edit the code live in production. Let me show you an example here. So here I have an AI chatbot that I'm delivering for a client. This AI chatbot happens to have an AI function that allows the user to ask for what subsidiaries a company has. However, if I reverse it and I now start a new session and I ask the question, what's parent company? Then it doesn't have an AI function that allows it to look at parent companies. So what I'm going to be doing in this video, I'm going to go straight to production and actually implement that method. No Git, no CI/CD pipelines, no unit testing, nothing. Editing live the code in production. So now let me go to create HyperID here and let me expand modules and expand Finovo, and then let me find workflows here, at which point I will find hyperlambda file, called subsidiaries.hl. So I want to start out with this one, right? So I just copy its code and then I just create a new file called parent companies.hl. And then I basically just want to paste in this code because I know it does almost the right thing, except it's got to do it like in reverse. So first of all, it's going to take an org number, and then I'm going to modify the comment because that's kind of like important because it affects the prompt engineering. Parent companies from specified org number. Return all companies. Specified return the company the specified org number is owned by. So here we have a validator mandatory. It checks that org number is provided, and then it replaces all occurrences that's not a number with nothing. Then it connects to the Finovo database, and then it reads from group structure org number. Let me see. Country name, org number, company name, owned percent, group, mother, org number. Okay, so what I basically want to do, I want to exchange these guys and probably do like this. And then I want to save it. And let me test it to see if it works. And it works. So now I can basically save this function. I can make it dot type public, save it. I can open up manage machine learning in a different tab. I can go here. I can go to the training data. I can choose my Finovo guy. I can choose function here, and I can filter on parent and install. And I don't want to install it as a RAG snippet, so I'm just going to copy it, close this window, go back to the type, edit the configuration for Finovo, and then let me see where the get subsidiaries bugger is. Get subsidiary companies. Okay, get parent company. I guess I can just copy this guy and copy and paste it in here and just edit it. So get parent company. If the user asks you to find the parent company of some other company, then inform the user what you're about to do and do not return follow-up questions, but instead add your response with subsidiaries. And now I need to change this guy with, what was it? Parent company. Let me edit it. Parent company.hl, org number, description of org number, okay, string, and is the org number of the child company. Save it. Now if I refresh here now, it gets the parent company. I don't know how many minutes that was, 3, 4, 5, 6 minutes in total. I need to emphasize this was done in production, in live, for a specific client of mine that is already paying. Others are already using the AI chatbot. It's live, it's a live production product, and I edited it live in production, and I added a feature to it. No unit testing, no CI/CD, no Git, nothing. Edited it live in production. And of course, that is the whole point, because I'm managing 30 of these clients, right? And each of these clients are basically using me as their entire software development department. So a software development department typically has like 5 employees. That basically means that I'm capable of doing the work of roughly 60 people in total, right? Actually more, 150 people. I'm doing the work of 150 software developers now, this point in time. And I spend about 20 hours a week doing this, so it's like a 50% workload for me. And of course, the reasons why I can do that is because I just take away all the rubbish. There's no CI/CD here. There's no Git. There's no DDD. There's no view model. There's no like, dependency injection, repository patterns, mediators, garbage like that. It's just gone. Everything is just gone. Here's a typo. Any parent company save. And when you take away all the bullshit, you get to work like this. And when you get to work like this, you get to work a million times faster than anybody else. This is now a production feature. And all I got to do is to PM the client and inform him of that I did what he told me to do and that I'm done. And it took me a total of 5 minutes. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.